The BMW R75 motorcycle, manufactured by the factory in Munich, is one of the most famous military motorcycles. Its design was directly derived from the BMW R71 model, which itself was an evolution of the BMW R12 motorcycle. Initially, it was planned that the R71 would become the Wehrmacht's standard motorcycle, but it turned out that the R12 model was so successful that its modernization was abandoned. The decision was then made to create an entirely new military motorcycle. In 1937, the German command placed an order for the design of a military motorcycle with enhanced off-road capabilities, equipped with a sidecar wheel drive. The motorcycle was to have a ground clearance of 150 mm, and the fender clearance was to allow for the installation of snow chains on the wheels. The vehicle's maximum speed was to be 90 km/h, and its cruising speed was to match the speed of infantry at 3 to 4 km/h. The vehicle was to be equipped with a mount for an MG-34 machine gun and be capable of carrying 3 soldiers with full equipment. 3 companies received orders to develop this motorcycle: DKW, BMW, and Zundap. DKW quickly dropped out of the competition with its NZ 500 model, and the BMW R75 and Zundap KS 750 motorcycles went into production. Although the Zundap design was considered superior, BMW also received orders for its motorcycles. The German command, however, mandated the standardization of some components, so both vehicles ended up having identical rear-wheel drives with a differential, hydraulic brakes, and wheel rims, which simplified the supply of spare parts. Production of the BMW R75 began in early 1941 and continued for some time after the war ended. The motorcycle was continually upgraded, with improvements to the footbrake lever, differential lock, gearbox spring, and front suspension. The sidecar's position light was also eventually removed. The BMW R75 was used by all branches of the German military on all fronts during World War II. It was employed for reconnaissance, liaison, transport tasks, and laying telephone cables. The frame of the BMW R75 consisted of interchangeable elements welded from steel tubes. The rear suspension was rigid, while the front was telescopic, with oil damping. It was powered by a 2-cylinder, 4-stroke, overhead valve carburetor engine, the BMW M56 Baumuster 275, arranged in a boxer configuration. The engine had a bore and stroke of 78 mm, a displacement of 745 cubic centimeters, a compression ratio of 5.6-5.8, and produced 26 horsepower at 4,400 RPM. The vehicle was equipped with a wet air filter, which was initially placed in the gearbox housing but later moved above the fuel tank. The motorcycle was equipped with a gearbox that had 4 road gears, 3 off-road gears, and a reverse gear. Shifting into the 4th off-road gear automatically disconnected the drive. Road gears could be shifted with either a foot or hand lever, while off-road gears and reverse could only be shifted with the hand lever. According to factory data, the vehicle reached a top speed of 92 km/h. The fuel tank capacity was 24 litres, including 3 litres of reserve. The oil tank capacity was 2 litres. On paved roads, at a speed of 61 km/h, fuel consumption was 6.7 litres per 100 km, while off-road consumption increased to 9 litres per 100 km, giving a range of 360 km. The motorcycle's curb weight was 400 kilograms, and its payload capacity was up to 400 kilograms, resulting in a combat weight of 820 kilograms.